Should we switch off the TV now, John, and read book? We have Aesop's fables. Remember, we studied last night Aesop's fable, and the first fable was
TV on your family, and now we study
first we do what? Excuse me. First, what we do?
TV, and now other family, and now we study
First, we watch TV as a what?
other family.
As a family. Okay, yeah, everybody
And
together.
now-
You, me, Mama, and Ali, right? And
And
then
now-
after that, what we do after that?
Ready.
What?
Ready.
It's not study, it's a study.
Ready.
Study.
Ready.
No, study.
Daddy.
Yes. Okay, which book are we going to study today?
And William story.
What story?
The tiger story.
Tiger story? You mean Aesop's Fables book? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which the turtle whalers.
Yeah, you remember yesterday we studied the story of a turtle and a hare.
A hare.
Not here, hare.
Hare.
You remember the story?
Mommy, enough.
What happened? What happened in that
Enough
story?
TV.
Enough TV? Okay, Mama, please switch off the TV.
And by the way,
Michelle's mama, please switch off the TV.
this
Okay, Michelle is gonna tell the story of a hare and a tortoise. Jan, come on, you sit here and you tell me the story of the hare and the tortoise we studied yesterday. Okay, come here. No. You sit here. You tell me without the book. So what happened actually? There was once a hare and a
tortoise.
yes, a hare and a tortoise. Okay, so what happened?
How when you want it ready?
No, you tell me the story without the book. We studied it yesterday. You remember it or not?
I remember.
Okay, then tell me. A hare and a tortoise were friends. They lived in a jungle, and one day the
He won a race.
yeah the hare yes the hare always
The hare.
jogged on tortoise.
That hare was faster, and
The tortoise.
tortoise is slower.
Okay.
And now he goes faster, and he eat carrot, and he slept away.
Okay.
And
the tortoise.
Tortoise go to walk, and now
Slowly.
slowly,
But steadily.
and
But steadily.
steadily,
Huh?
and now he walked and he learned and rabbit lose.
Okay, yeah, you remember. Great. You remember the story.